This is going to be the hottest topic for a while. COVID-19.
Yeah.
So the PM has adjusted containment measures, but no changes yet. For seniors and for my people, them entertainment. Boy, PM, I don't know what to say. Entertainment events remain on lockdown, as well as nurseries, daycare centers, and they are going to remain closed pending a decision on the protocols to govern their operations. People 65 years and over must remain at home, except where they must go out for the necessities. Effective June 30, there will be changes to the curfew hours and other measures. Nightly curfews will now be at 11 p.m. to 5 a.m.
So we're getting more time, is that it?
More time. So it was 10 o'clock up to last night. So we get an extra hour.
We heard that extra hour there.
I think part of the challenge is even some of the fast food places and so on, they had to be closing extra early so that staff could go home. So I think they're kind of opening up. And people who have work, late night work, security guards and everything, who have to get other things when I'm going to work. So I think that's probably it. Gatherings should not exceed 20 people. It's up from 10, which I don't know, because I thought weddings went up to 50.
Really?
Yeah, weddings went up to 50. So I thought the gatherings had, and funerals too, had the number had, so I thought, so unless it's just funeral and wedding alone, has put that number up to 50, but every other type of gathering shouldn't exceed 20 people. So this is the challenge with the entertainment. I mean, you can't open a play or a live show to 20 people.
Correct.
So.
Correct.
That's a challenge for us.
Unless you find a way to do it outdoor in a really big space where you can socially distance.
You still have more than 20 people.
But
it never said depending on the
like
space.
A parking lot size.
No, I know, but it never said depending on space.
It didn't.
So that's the semantic of it. So to me, one of the things I've been saying is that by now, what probably should happen is that, in the same way we've assisted other sectors, maybe a lot of entertainment people are now online, trying to provide entertainment online, but they don't have the equipment.
Right.
So I don't know who is going to be the brain to say, well, let's assist them in acquiring equipment
and
so that
whatever it is.
Yeah, so that they can, even the basic equipment, so that they can start streaming and that we don't lose our entertainment globally. I mean, it's a must.
It's a rough time, eh?
It's a must. It's going to be difficult to push back into the market if we're just silent. Yeah. So I don't know. That's
I see different people championing different causes and initiatives. You've seen them in the space where they're lobbying and so on. So maybe something will come of that.
Yeah.
The problem I have, or the challenge I see, is that sometimes one group is lobbying for this and other folks in the same entertainment space don't know what is going on. And if it's splintered like that, then usually you don't get the best results.
Yeah.
But
entertainment, you see them split up in a low hanging and it's a drama.
It's a drama.
It's a drama.
Maybe it can be a play after COVID.
Oh, for sure. Markets will now be open 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. Zoos 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Parks 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. But the water parks are going to be closed.
Okay.
So I think with the summer coming up, at least we see some kind of recreation happening there for particularly the children. So you can take your kids to the zoo, to the park.
Not to the water park, though.
Not to the water park.
So the folks in foreign telling folks, no July 4 celebrations for us. No outdoor business. 698 cases, including 2 recorded in the last 24 hours, 553 recoveries. And I hear the Prime Minister urging folks to remember that COVID is still keeping, because it is clear to him that some people have forgotten.
Totally.
I mean, you go on road, mask seem to be an option more than a mandatory. Let's not forget that this thing. And so I heard the head of the WHO last night on the news, saying that the worst of the pandemic is yet to come.
I heard him. I bind him in the name of Jesus. When he
my
said,
mouth
I
had to
said,
just...
no, sir, no, sir.
How
no, sir.
is that even possible?
Me said, no, sir. When I said, no, sir.